Have you ever thought about growing your own peanuts? Yes, peanuts. It's easier than you think, and the results are simply amazing. Stick around, and I'll show you everything you need to know to grow a peanut garden that'll leave everyone impressed. Peanuts aren't just a delicious snack. They're a fantastic plant that can thrive in your garden if you follow these simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to grow your own peanut patch and harvest in no time. Here's what you'll need to get started. Raw, unroasted peanut seeds, well-drained sandy soil, gardening tools, compost or organic fertilizer. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Prepare your soil. Peanuts love loose sandy soil with good drainage. Start by loosening the soil about 8 to 10 inches deep, and mixing in compost for extra nutrients. Step 2. Plant the peanut seeds. Gently remove the shells without damaging the seeds. Plant them about 2 inches deep and 6 to 8 inches apart in rows that are 18 inches apart. Remember, peanuts need space to grow underground. Step 3. Care for your peanut plants. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Peanuts need plenty of sunlight, so choose a sunny spot in your garden. Once the plants flower, they'll send pegs into the ground to form peanuts. Fascinating, isn't it? Step 4. Harvesting. After 120 to 150 days, your peanut plants will turn yellow, signaling it's harvest time. Gently dig up the plants and shake off excess soil to reveal clusters of fresh peanuts. Leave them to dry for a few days before storing or roasting. Growing peanuts is fun, rewarding, and a great way to impress your friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more amazing gardening tips. Next video, surprising ways to use peanut plants in your garden. Stay tuned.